Hi guys, in today's video, I will demonstrate to you how to measure the resistance, the voltage, the current using the analog multimeter. First, we measure the resistor. So, before we start measuring the resistor, first we must calibrate it. So, we go to ohms times 10. So as you can see, the pointer is on 0. So pwede na siya mo baliktad-baliktad kung mo measure ka o resistors. So our resistor is 1.1. So at akong gamit kay multiplier 10, so 11 ohms. So now we measure the volts. So we have a AA battery here. So ang volts kay 1.5, so I'll put 2.5. 2.5 kay ang 1.5 kay ang 2.5 mas dako man sa 1.5. So the positive, we go into positive and negative. So as you can see, the volts is 1.6. So to measure the current, so the resistor we butang na to ani sa positive, like that. So that's all guys, thank you.